I'm starting to have some issues with the driver master control switch. The buttons for the power window is starting to break apart, and it's making it really difficult to open and close this window. I feel like it takes a lot of effort. Oh, see, that's why. Now, I tried gluing this piece together so it kind of stays down there, but it keeps popping out, and I couldn't figure out a way to see. That's what you got to do. It's like you need basically 2 fingers to do this, and this one looks like it's missing that little piece of chrome trim at the very front there. So I got this window switch off Amazon, and it was only like 30 bucks Canadian, so you're looking at $20 American. I would hate to know how much this is going to cost if I go to the local Porsche dealership. Now let's go open it up and see what it looks like. Just do a quick side by side. It looks very similar. Some of the graphics is a little different. Like this one's got it's like a little baby as compared to what the factory has. Other than that, the layout is all the same. So it looks like it's going to be a direct plug. I did a quick check to see what the replacement would be for a factory switch. It's around $300 US. My local Porsche dealership wanted $450 Canadian for that piece. So spending only 30 bucks is like a fraction of what it would cost me to get it done or to buy it from my local Porsche dealership. So I'm going to give it a try. I'm not willing to spend 400 bucks to replace that. And the new piece comes with a prying tool. And the other issue I've been having with this is this entire switch kind of pops up a little too easily. See what I mean? And I know there isn't much slack in this wire here, so it's gonna be very difficult to get this off. I think I got it, there we go. All right, more broken pieces. This prying tool that they gave you worked perfectly. All you have to do is push down on this tab like so. Let's check out the comparison in the back. Yep, they're identical. I literally cannot tell the difference. Ah, sweet. Oh, so nice. Side mirrors. Nice. Wow, I can't believe this works. I can adjust the mirrors. Wow, this is for 30 bucks, are you kidding me? How cool is that? Oh, you know what? Check this out. It works just like the factory. Like it actually, there's a little red button there. Tell you which mirror is activated. Just like the factory, I think. I think the factory did that. Yep. So this works perfectly, and as an added bonus to me, it doesn't pop up like the old one. Wow. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. If you don't mind just the fact that the graphics is just slightly different, but come on, I mean, is it worth paying extra 400 bucks? No way. I can't believe this part was 30 bucks. There's just no way. Wow. Super easy mod, and I basically saved several $100s by not going to a dealership. And the fitment is like perfect. Oh, excellent. Okay, there you go. So if you do have issues with your Switch, check out Amazon. This brand, I've used them before. A Premium. They're really good quality. This one says 100% performance testing. If you're interested, there's the Part number. Made in China. Whereas the factory is, I don't know if they'll say, made in the United Kingdom. Garbage. It breaks apart way too easily. Total garbage. Not worth it. Not worth 400 bucks. And you can get this for like 30. Alright guys, there you go. So babe, I fixed the switch. Does it look the same to you? Can you tell the difference? Take a close look.
No, I can't. Did you really fix it?
I replaced it.
How?
That's the old one.
Oh wow, it looks exact. Oh, okay. I can tell the difference now. This one is a little bit broken here.
Yeah, that's the old one.
Yeah, that's the old one. Oh, I love it. Can I try it?
Okay. To get a new one from Porsche, how much do you think it is?
At least 100, right?
$450 Canadian.
What?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
Guess how much I paid for this one with this brand?
Please tell me it's not over 100. Okay.
Guess.
75?
30 bucks.
Say wallah.
Yeah, that piece, 30 bucks. Can you believe that?
Wow.
I didn't think they would have a piece for a Cayenne.
I can't believe this is like 400 something.
I know, well, it's
Okay,
Porsche.
how about the other side? Is the other side broken?
No, they're all good.
Oh, just that one.
Works, try it.
Okay. Beautiful. When did you fix it? I just
Right now. Took me like 5 minutes.
You fixed it after I came back? That was fast.
Yeah. Everything works.
I love it. I love it, and nothing is popping up.
Yeah, the old one used to pop up, right?
Okay.
See how it's...
Actually, this one used to pop out too.
No, this whole switch would pop out.
Yeah. The whole thing comes out.
The whole thing.
The plate.
Not anymore. Now it's seated pretty good. Like, I can't even pull it out.
Did you glue it or snap it in or what?
No, just fit in.
I love it. Beautiful. Good job. Okay, wait, honey.
What?
Your next goal is this, please. I'm not kidding. Please, buy me a cup holder.
Yeah.
I don't like this.
Okay. I'm pretty sure it lights up, but let's just go ahead and check. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. If you want to save yourself hundreds of dollars, you can buy this switch in the description of this video from Amazon. Highly recommend it. It fit perfectly and just works just like stock, so highly recommend it. It's only 30 bucks. Alright guys, thanks for watching.